Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Mike with 184 Aerospace. It's been a while since our last video. A lot's happened. I'm back in school. I'm back in college pursuing a bachelor's degree in technology management. So, been kind of busy with that. Just got my midterms finished, so I figured I'd shoot a video since it's been such a long time. First things first, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Share the page. The more people to watch it, the cooler stuff I'm gonna make. So we have a winner. We have a winner. The winner is Drew Baby 810. Drew Baby 810. You are the proud new owner of a Baby Bertha domestic. Reach out to me and I'll get this to you, whether by mail or if I can meet you in person, whatever. But hey, we've got a winner here. Recently had a launch, launched a lot of rockets. Last month, September, was able to launch my 38mm sugar motor again on a saucer, and that was a successful flight. Check it out.
Dad, Michael's here. He's got some diabetes going on. He's got sugar, sorbitol. He thinks it's about a G97. It's flying in a saucer. Well, that works for me. Ready, Michael?
Yep.
Okay, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I got some smoke. I got some more smoke. Still smoking. Still smoking. Lots more smoke.
Heads up!
Heads up, we're soft.
Alright. You guys notice I got a lot of plastic parts sitting around here. We'll go over these all briefly. First things first, we've got a couple different sizes of saucers. One is for 38mm motor cases, and one is for 29mm motor cases. I've flown both of these, they work. If you're interested in these, contact me, leave a comment down below, and we'll see what we can do to get you some of them. The next thing is a nose cone that holds an nav bay and a battery for a ET62 from Estes, and this actually holds a smaller altimeter, such as a egg timer quark and a 2-cell lithium-ion battery pack. This goes up in the nose. It actually holds a switch, so it can be screwed and enabled from screwing it on. We are currently in the process of working on some 29mm hybrid experimental motors. I really can't share any more much than that right now, but yeah, that's where we're heading. I've also got some new motor tube acquired. I have a 54mm Sky Ripper hybrid set. This is the smallest case. There's 2 other cases that came with this complete set and all the hardware. I've gone and purchased some Loki bulkhead and nozzle for this. This is fun. We're gonna, my next sugar project is gonna be in this motor case. It's looking to be a mid-K motor. So the Loki nozzles and bulkheads fit in the Sky Ripper systems. The liners do not. So we've custom printed some liners out of APA and some casting sleeves to go along with that. We also created some casting setups for the grains. This will be a 5 grain, I believe. I'll have to look at my notes, I don't remember. A 5 or 6 grain, but all set up, ready to cast. And hopefully everything comes out perfect. I'll do a video when we cast those. Probably won't be till next spring. It's getting cold here now. And the whole school thing is kind of put a damper on some of my rocket stuff. So there's a setup for a single grain casting. The support, the core, and the liner. The core is radiused at what would be the bottom of the grain, perhaps the top on the bottom grain, and that's to help ignite between the grains. Yeah. One other thing, still working on the level 3, trying to figure out a efficient way to put the fins on. I did print one of these templates from payloadbay.com, and it's not going to work for me. The big fiberglass fins and just the mass of the fiberglass itself is not really conducive to using with this thin foam board. Perhaps if I use some thicker foam board or more layers of it, it would work out just fine, but we're going to go with a 3D printed guide that has yet to be designed. One other thing about the level 3 is I actually had to modify the fins. We didn't notice it in the simulations, but the fins actually protrude past the end of the airframe. So we just angled them up a little bit, trimmed them down. Obviously changed the CP a little bit and things like that, but everything will still be good. Still moving forward with that. Hopefully I'll have another video for you soon on that. That's really all I got today. It's been busy, like I said, and I wanted to get the winter out and let them know maybe they can build this rocket throughout the winter and we just had a launch next summer. So be sure to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Fly safe and aim high.